Hello, welcome up guys, I'm Ariovid, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to delete account WhatsApp on your phone. Okay, you may also leave like, subscribe and share to others. Okay, so you must, there is only one option to delete account WhatsApp. It is only on the phone. You must have a WhatsApp on your phone, and now you enter on your application WhatsApp. Okay, and now you click on the three dots, settings, and next on account. And here you have trash and delete account in your language, and this delete account make temporary removing your account. You must confirm your number phone, delete, choice reason why you want to delete this account, what we may upgrade, I don't know, delete, and now just confirm. And we did it. So that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.